Hi guys, welcome to the kitchen, and this is the twins cooking show. Right now we're gonna make how to make perfect fries. This is what you'll all need. First you'll need 5 potatoes. You'll need a peeler, a knife, an electronic kitchen scale, a grater spoon, a skinner, some grapeseed oil. See, if you don't have enough, like half, you'll need to get another bottle. You'll need cornstarch. This is sugar. You'll need sugar. And you'll need salt and pepper. Okay, and you'll need a pot full of water. So the first thing you want to do first is rinse the potatoes. Yeah. Hi guys. The first step you want to do is put all your potatoes in a basket. Then the second step is to rinse. Make sure to rinse it good. Yeah, okay, go. Rinse it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then when you're done rinsing, that means after that, take all your potatoes and then peel them. Okay, so we're gonna do one by one. Okay, so this is what your potato will look like. All yellowish. The next step is you rinse it again. Rinse it for 10 seconds. Okay, bro. And this is now cutting. Cut it into 4 pieces. Okay, cut it half. And then cut it. Yeah. Turn it. One. Okay, once you're done, put it in the basket. Keep cutting it. Once you finish cutting the potatoes, you want to boil it at high temperature. Then slowly you put it into low temperature. We're going to put it at 14, and then later, when it's starting to bubble, we'll put it at 7. You guys, right now I'm putting the potatoes in. Okay, see, when it's like this, see how white on the top? What you want to do is get a chopstick or anything long you have. See? You have to poke the potato. If it's soft, that means it's ready. Right now it's not soft. So we have to put it to like 10. Once you're done, you put the potatoes in the bowl. First, I'm going to off. Now, we're going to take the potatoes. See, when you get all your potatoes out, all you need to do is mash them and get a spatula. If it's not easy to mash, keep on cooking. This is quite easy. And when you're done mashing these, you have to put 100 grams of cornstarch. Right now it's 0. This 27. Way too much. Oh. It's above 100. Yeah, there. It should be good. Too much. I think there's still too much. There, yeah. That should be good. 101. Okay. 101 is fine. Okay. So what you want to do is add 100 grams of cornstarch. Everything. And then 15 grams of sugar. Too much. Okay, perfect. 15 fries. Okay, and now what you're gonna do is add some salt. Two half spoons of salt, or you can add 1 spoon. Then mix well. This is the aftermath of when you mash the potatoes. Okay, so the next step is you put it in a Ziploc bag. Since it's not working, I'm gonna go get a spoon. You want to fasten it, or you use a roller. You want it to be even. Okay guys, so when you finish rolling, you're gonna put it in the freezer. But make sure not to do too long, otherwise you can't cut it. No, I'll just put it over here. Woo! Okay, so okay, after it's like not almost frozen, you wanna do get anything sharp. I'm using scissors. You open the bag and cut it. Okay, so you can undo this. So right now you're gonna chop the fries. I'm gonna make very thin slices so they're nice and yummy. I suggest you use a big knife. Okay guys, look. So when you all cut the fries, you're gonna put them on the plate. So I'm gonna exactly do that. Okay, now we have transferred the chopped potato onto the plates. Now we're gonna put oil, and then we're gonna put the fries into the pot. Get the oil. This is plate 0. Right now, when you see it like this, it's ready. This is called a drain spoon. We're gonna use this to drain the oil and put it into here, which is the skin. Oh, these are nice. This is what you eat. Now I'm gonna add the fries. Third batch. of deep frying potatoes. Then we'll put the salt and I'll put the pepper. I'm gonna put some pepper. Keep it on put.